We're on the video. I got the guns.
You got me looking at the grass, picking on the grass.
Driving on the grass, picking me up. I can't drive, so I had the. You heard of Uber, and you heard of Gons, and we have Gons Uber.
No, I'm not a Gons Uber.
You're my Gons Uber.
I'm triple charging you then.
Get triple charged every time. I'm used to it. What is it, Wednesday?
Yes.
Oh, can I show the baby bump?
Yes, I don't mind.
Where's the baby bump? Oh, it's hard to tell. You got. Oh,
Right
yeah,
there.
that shows it. Woo! How many months? You got 6 months down, 3 to go, about, right?
6.5, 2.5 to go.
How are you feeling?
I feel great. He kicks a lot.
He kicks a lot. Did he keep you up a lot kicking last night?
He did.
Oh, okay.
But it's okay. It's okay. I got a chubby face now.
You look at my face.
You have a neck brace. I have no excuse.
It makes me feel like I've got a mushroom for a head. I'm so sick of this brace. But this is proof. I don't know. At least this is proof I'm being a compliant patient. Let me just say, folks, if your doctor says, please wear, don't hit that man.
I wasn't going.
I see that man all the time. Don't run him over. He's a nice man.
I'm not running nobody over.
Oh, please, if your physician asks you to do something for them, like wear a brace, do your best to do it. Usually there's a reason for it. In my case, I think my doctor just thought it'd be a fun gag, but I'm gonna find out for sure. Anyway, so it's Wednesday. The Gons is driving us in, and we're gonna have some fun today, hopefully, and we're gonna have a great day. And that's it.
How many shots of tequila did you have this morning?
I didn't. I had fresh ground. DW made me some fresh ground coffee.
I know. I can't wait to drink mine.
It was awesome.
And before anybody says I can't have coffee, my doctor said I could have a cup of coffee a day.
Your OB doctor.
My OB doctor.
Okay, that's fine.
You're the dad. You're the dad doctor.
Yeah, I'm like a dad doctor.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Have a great day. Bye.
So I went ahead and tried rest more, got it offline, and I had issues sleeping. So yeah, I fell asleep normal, but I actually did sleep through the whole night and not toss and turn and wake up like I normally do, and I felt at ease and felt like I had a good night's rest.